Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Audi Q3 versus the Mercedes GLA 200. We'll start by looking at their performance. The Audi Q3 typically offers a 2.0-liter turbocharged engine, providing up to 228 horsepower. This allows it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 7.1 seconds. The Mercedes GLA 200, on the other hand, features a 1.3-liter engine with 161 horsepower, reaching 60 miles per hour in about 8.7 seconds. Both offer a dynamic driving experience. Moving inside, both SUVs boast luxurious cabins. The Audi Q3 offers a generous 48 cubic feet of cargo space with its rear seats folded and features a 10.1-inch touchscreen. The Mercedes GLA provides up to 430 liters of cargo capacity with its seats down and often includes a dual 10.3-inch screen setup. Both vehicles support wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity and a modern driving experience. When it comes to design, the Audi Q3 showcases a more squared-off athletic stance, giving it a larger visual presence. The Mercedes GLA 200, however, offers a sleeker, slightly softer aesthetic with a more luxurious interior feel. In terms of value, the Audi Q3 typically starts around $39,800, while the Mercedes GLA 200 begins closer to $41,500, with pricing varying by trim and options. So, which compact luxury SUV is right for you? The Audi Q3 stands out with its more powerful engine options and standard quattro all-wheel drive, appealing to those seeking a sportier drive. The Mercedes GLA 200 offers a refined ride, a highly luxurious interior, and excellent fuel efficiency for its class. Both are fantastic choices, depending on your priorities. Also, for a great way to organize your life, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.